All right. So today we're going to be taking a look at this thing called DeepSeek. And, over there, they've got these agents. And these agents, they have their very own meme coins, which, of course, they have to, interact with these artificial degenerates. So I've been getting a lot of questions, actually. And people have been asking me if I could, analyze it for them or, help them get together. So let me just explain this to you all very clearly. You absolutely cannot trade it on any of the centralized exchanges. You see that? There isn't a single solitary exchange that actually lists it. So what we can actually do is we can trade it over on Dex Screener. And, how do we go about doing that? Well, it's actually quite simple, really. What you do is you just go ahead and grab the token right here, and then you just pop that into Dex Screener. We're going to paste it in right here, okay? You see? So then we just go ahead and paste it, and then right away, the token is going to appear. And, as you can see, the token has actually lost quite a bit of value. In our group, we were actually trading it. I was personally looking to make a solid, let's say 23x with it. Or, you find a good entry point, obviously. So that's where the volume really started to, pick up. Those meme coins, We don't have any immediate vector candles. We don't have that. We've got these trades from back in the day, like a super resistance level right there. So you look over here, right here, this is actually a really good entry point. And just